Let's understand this. We are thinking about certain things very big when it comes to the question of health, whether you are having diabetes, obesity, or infertility, or many lifestyle diseases. But think of common problems: fever, running nose, vomiting, loose stools, gastroenteritis, cough, expectoration. These are all very common problems that happens seasonally during the winter season, during the rainy season. So we are having a low immunity. Let's understand how Ayurveda can give a better solution in these conditions. We have to understand our body is made up of 5 elements which is available in the universe. We say whether it is water, air, whether we say it is fire. All these 5 constitutions is there in our body, and we are made up of these 5 constitutions. And what happens is, when we see the pulse diagnosis, there we get to understand what is the imbalance in the body. In Ayurveda they call it as dosha. This dosha is what making you succumb to become disease, to develop a disease. It may be a very simple disease. You are having a fever or a cold or a cough, but there is a very simple and easy treatment. You can take it as an outpatient. By simple herbs, your solution get. We are added to that. We are giving a diet suggestion. We are giving a lifestyle modification. All these things along with the herbs, you get a proper and a permanent solution, raising your immunity, and you should not get these problems seasonally. So whenever you get a problem like fever, cold, cough, please take an opinion from an Ayurvedic specialist and understand it can be remedy, and that can be a better cure, and your resistant immunity will improve, and you will not get such ailments repeatedly and seasonally. Good day.